What? What's up? What's up? Life is a mission, people. What's up? Just go and show you this little long share, quick and fast, and tell you about it in the long run. Just look, because music are playing in the background, my people. So I'm going to show you this and then tell you all about it. Alright, my people, look at this. This is a long chair. We call it long chair. Alright? This is how I used to sleep on. I used to sleep on my grandfather one. He used to have the older type, we make out of aluminum. But my mother did buy this some years ago. Because aluminum one would get knocked. See it there? A long chair. Alright? I'll tell you no more. Alright, my people. That what I show you a while ago is a long chair. Alright? This is in my Fowl Coop. As you see, these are Fowl Coop's equipment, feeding pan, water pan. And look, this is how the Fowl Coop used to store things. These are manures. But same like how you used to things store up in the Fowl Coop, I saw old bed and old dresser, and so I used to store in here when I used to sleep in here. So when you stay tuned, I'm telling you some more. I'll come out of the music. Yeah, my people, so as I say, come out of the area because nice. I'm still in an open area which for vehicle and traffic are pass, but you don't get copyright for that. But in a definite area where I'm supposed to do, I do the intro, music I play. You know the copyright something go. Today, as you see me show you a chair, which is a long chair. That chair is about some 30 years old. That is a newer version to the one that my band come see my grandfather have when make out of aluminum. That one they kind of give away, so my mother buy the new one there. You know, we make out of metal and stuff. It carry two cushions. One the headrest part and one the part where you lie down. So it happens that, you know, after a period of time, grandfather passed and stuff and it stopped use and it end up up on the veranda and stuff and, you know, rest, man. And at something where he would normally have him even rest man outside of the room and stuff, you know. You want a little even rest, so don't know them type of thing there. So, the thing is, as I said, this vlog is, you know, a day in my life of what, you know, me used to go through a part of what me have got through to make me this strong as how me is now and never have a run-ins with the law. So this vlog is all about showing you a part of my struggles through life where I can't even find food and I come out for the whole day and in the evening just before I go my baby might hustle a $50 find 2 buckle or pick up 2 buckle and sell it and can buy some cornmeal. No cornmeal, some flour with a £1/2 and little butter and cook some butter dumpling. And then now, in the night now, you know, so them time the parents now left no door what me finna pick if you come in. If you're out when them a got them bed, you're out. Sometimes you pray for bingo or play. For your mother can out there play like a bingo so you can stay out like a late because you know if she win, she go stay out like a later than them. If she not win, you know, so bedtime early at 7, 6 o'clock. Them time you like a young youth out there. You know, you want to hang out with your friends and you have the privilege can hang out and stuff. So it's either you gonna get locked out or you gonna go in on the timing, on the curfew time. Many nights me get locked out, people. Many nights. Me used to knock up my grandfather to pull the door. When my mother start finding out that she start take out the key, so there is no key for pull the door when him get up to pull it. So I have to bounce it on the long chair on the veranda. After a while she find out that that's what me a steal through. She tell herself that she don't want it to be a habit. What she do sometimes she will wake up and throw water upon me and wake me up. So when I do now, I used to take off the long chair off of the veranda, put it all in the Fowl Coop. You want to see me just show and sleep. She find out that. So when I do now, I stop take off the long chair so she realize I'm in the house and she come out and she pull the door and she see the long chair. She not look for me. But if she not see the long chair now, she gonna look for me because she gonna say I must be in this or around this. So I end up now get 2 pieces of black or 2 chair and the long chair is have a piece of board with them use as the base. So when you put on the cushion part, it responds that. It me used to use and sleep on. Earlier on in the evening, I know I'm liable to get locked out because I come in late, I take out a little one sheet and stuff. Yeah, if you cover up because boy the mosquito them when them come to studio and I sing them stop sing right back till daylight them sing my people. So cut argument short and thing as me telling you say, we're not gonna see I go sleep in the Fowl Coop right back till tomorrow morning. So I go show you further down where I cook some butter dumpling and when I get the lockout I sleep in the Fowl Coop. Right? So basically it's like me a camp out then tonight by sleeping in the Fowl Coop. So I go show you all of that. When I come in later on, when it get dust up, when I hustle the money and cook the two little butter dumpling them, eat them, and after me eat them and thing, cool off and after go hold a bed, I go hold a bed and watch the hours till I ready for go sleep. And pray for the artists them not come a studio, you know, but you don't know them artists are ever there studio, because when them artists are singing in your ears, I better them did a bite you. So just stay tuned for that. In the meantime, I'm gonna do like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up on the video, please to watch the ads. And remember, the cash up pin in the comment section, $ Life is a Mission TV. Remember the young entrepreneur college student, Life with Gabby and Chevy, the link of our YouTube channel is also in the comment section pin. And our next family member is in my community, Tamika Davis TV. Go ahead and give her a subscription, it now costs no $1. It's free. So just stay tuned for look more for all of that. I just go in the early intro, I just show you the long chair in the light and thing. You can understand me as I go up on the house top, I have to climb up to go get it. For sure, I put it on the house top to create space and stuff like that. So just stay tuned because the video is epic. Butter dumpling and sleeping in the Fowl Coop right back till tomorrow morning. A life of the struggles in the days that mold us to be strong and be who we is now. Bless up and stay tuned.
Everything me have, you know me work hard for it. So why don't you nigga bad mind me for it? Every day them see me out a road and me a blast. Buy me one a liquor, so me have me one a glass. Girl them sexy and me clothes them so sharp. So who no like me style, tell a boy fit your calf now. Them a watch everything and me a wear and no see the hard work when me do for me career now. Them a wonder how me things and so there them want kill you for the car where you was here. Me heart no dirty, me heart clean like the water from the street.
People, yes my people, so alright, so I set up my bed already. Most of you supposed to know this chair, because when I buy this chair I did do a video right. So basically I have my sheet for cover, because you don't know, as I telling you, the entertainer them when them come to studio and ready to sing, you know it go, you have to have something cover up your ears, you have to have your ears muffin. So this is a newer version to the long chair I'm showing up on the house top. This is something more, you know, newer version. See it? So it's my bed for tonight. As I said tonight, me a sleep out, me a camp out in the Fowl Coop. See it there? Fowl Coop. Fowl Coop people. See it there? When you look up there, so see it there? I see them, so it used to pack all kind of old things like old bed, dresser. You know, you have them little certain things where you might not want it, but you might find, you see it down the line or find somebody that it would do good with, we might not have nothing at all. So you always have a little old place, that little place where you store old things, yes. So it used to stay. The only difference is, back then we never have the sawdust and something. Because we recently did a race fowl, you know, so the place not clean up from then. You understand? Normally it's just a raw concrete up there on the ground. But them kind of people, me I tell you, if me not sleep on the long chair, me gonna use like a bench and the piece of board or black and piece of board. Them time there, me have to make sure my eyes up off of the ground, cause them time through the whole part all something they know them things they attract like 40 leg and lizard and scorpion. Some of the time you hear all rat run up and down, cause those are the type of things them love. So you have to stay off the ground to make sure you protect yourself from insect. You understand? The only other thing is the DJ and singer them, the mosquito. So see it, my people, this is my bed for tonight. See it there, Fowl Coop. See it there? I just saw me asleep tonight. And who just a giant? This is just a day in my life. Back then, when we are go through the struggles. And you know, we have to go out there, go hunt it, and you know, say, Mama, now left door for you come in. Once you're out, you stay out. And me never the type of man where I go on a friend yard and a body yard go sleep. I have to find somewhere in the yard and sleep. Me not comfortable for go to people yard. So This is my bed I set up already and see my sheet there. So what I gonna do now, people, I gonna cook some food. And when I say cook some food, I gonna boil some dumpling and butter. You understand? Because this is the main reason why you're at the road so late. I look at hustling because nothing not going on during the day and you look at hustling. Either you go pick up 2 buckle and dance, or you take a 2 buckle where you still left careless, or a friend give you like a $50 or so. You see what I say? So now is like the time you get the money there. Could I go buy a half pound or a pound of flour and a little piece of butter and go rig up some butter dumpling before you go all fresh and go to your bed. So I'm going to show you that now. I'm going to deal with some butter dumpling you now, and I'm just show you the bed setting some now. See there? Fowl Coop. See there? I'm a bed this. I sleep right here so till the morning. So in the morning, you will see where I go on when I wake up and feel sour. So we're going to deal with some butter dumpling you now. So my people, I'm going to knead the flour you now. Yeah, like the stove for the water go and boil up. So see flour here, I'm going to put in some salt. Understand? Alright, just take this and get some water. And wash already. So we just have to stir on the flour here now. Yeah man. And we're going to knead the flour you know my people. So I'm going to cover the pot this up. So I'm going to stay tuned. As I say, butter dumpling. You understand? We don't have no meat kind. We just hustle a little money can buy half pound of flour, a pound of flour. We just run go buy that with a little half ounce of butter. You understand? We throw up and we dumpling in time we're done. And we have to eat that. Drink some water and go to bed. You understand? If it's never too late right now, we just see me pick a piece of mango leaf, ackee leaf and breadfruit leaf and draw some tea. But them say you must pick bush and leaf at night. You understand? If me pick it from early, I know I could have draw it where me I drink some ackee leaf mixed with breadfruit leaf tea. But you know we see that in another video when me I do another episode of this type of thing here. You understand? We're not afraid for sure we pass. You understand? We're proud that we pass because we're proud so we get past, we pass. But we want to show our next man say watch you can live past your past too. You understand? We want to show our next man say watch you. Your past, you can live past that. You understand? You can live past that. So stay tuned my people. Because there's a lot of people out there you know who feel like say life gone you know. When them still have it in them body you know. But what them not no hopes. But where there is life there is hope. You understand what I say? So if we can show them where we are come from, even worse than them, and if we get past that, why them can't get past it? So things like these will motivate people. But you have some people coming on social media when you talk about your past, them come and like them want to put you down on your past. But we are you now to where me there. You understand? So my people, this is a modern rendition of my past. Because back then you know them a tortuous kitchen here. You understand how you have a fan in a kitchen. You know them a fancy window here. A big old board window. Sometimes when we used to do people, when me tired to sleep out at door, me used to catch the window. Catch the window and come in and hide and sleep in the kitchen. You understand? Till my mother find out say me I do that now, she make sure the window lock. Yes. Me used to catch the window, catch a board window, they put something down in a little hole part, the lock figure, you know, the little night latch pieces there. Yes. So when she say window lock, it no lock. And me used to come now and just prize it and ease it up and it pull and me come sleep in the kitchen. As me said, them time they are a modern days kitchen like this. So this vlog what me I do is a modern rendition of my past. The Fowl come show say it used to have in a whole heap more hole sitting away in there right now. You understand? We have a 40 leg and roach. Scorpion. But you see, my intention was not to be a pest to people, turn pest to people. And this is why early, you know, I'm telling you, say early, me go up and me try to go up on my own from 11 year olds. At the age of 11, yes man. At the age of 11, I try to go up on my own. Because what? I want to earn my own dollar. So, I just stay tuned for the modern rendition. Some butter dumpling. Look from that after I do that, I go bed. I show you how I bed out I do at the pipe side. And show you which part I go sleep. Tomorrow morning, you see when I wake up from which part I go sleep. So, stay tuned. Alright, people. So, I'm going to check on the flour them here now. Well, then start float. I only know if I'm dumpling start float them ready, you know. But here we are going to do now. We are going to eat another. Because I say, we not eat it, no meat, nor nothing, just dumpling and butter. Yeah. So we are going to eat another, like another 3 more minutes. Make it soak some more. Yeah. And really and truly, them say from the flour float, it cook. But it might cook can eat. But basically, it can soak more because normally when you cut it that way there, and you look, you see the raw flour in the middle. While if you make it boil some more, yeah, you won't see that. So stay tuned for the dumpling and butter. You know, stay tuned for me in the Fowl Coop sleep overnight. We are camp out in the Fowl Coop. Yeah man, a day in my life vlog of going through the struggles. These are the things. You understand? It's just that it's a more modern rendition. Because I say one time gone, you know, see them a pretty kitchen and sitting there. You see one big old board sitting and you understand me I say? But we're glad to show a past because we can show where you come from. None of them can talk about them past, you know. Because all they see them are going in a phone and a behave. Them past, the life where them are live now presently, is nowhere near from them past. Some of them are the same life them are live. You understand? So them can't brave enough to come out and come talk about them past. You understand? And the best thing is when you can talk about your past, proud of your past, because you move past your past and you try to help others who are living in a worse situation than where you did live in back in your past. To make them know, say boy, watch out. Once there is life, there is hope. You understand? Just dream big and wake up in your dream to try to achieve what you have. And caused by ambition. You have to have the ambition, you have to have the drive. You understand? To go at where you want. So stay tuned, people. Yes, my people. So this is like a modern rendition, as me I tell you, can see it. Normally, a salt butter we are use. And we have to buy 1 little ounce of salt butter for all 10 cents. So you don't know what I talk about. And so we are use now, anchor butter. So it's just a, you know, a more modern rendition of the lifestyle we used to live. But butter dumpling is butter dumpling. Alright? So stay tuned. I'm going to eat some item now. And I'm going to see where I go on. I can't go to the front desk because music I play. So I'm going to show you where I go on, right? Alright my people, remember me just telling about the first part. I'm telling about, let me say, from the flour float up, it cook. Yes, but at the same time, look at this now. You see it? You don't see no raw flour inside of yaso. Because that extra time that me give it, just soak the whole flour inside. Yes, when it float on the top, it can come off and eat. But, you know, no nicer the way, yeah. Yes, man. Dumpling and butter. And when I'm done this, people, we don't have juice to drink. But here the tea, when I tell you I should have drink with this. But I should so late now, I'm not pick none of the leaf them because I say once I pick bush at night and, you know, breadfruit leaf and ackee leaf tea. I'm going to show you one of them days when I do something else like this because I whole part of series I have to show you, you know, a day in my life of struggles. You know? So sometimes some man see the glory but they don't know the story. All you have to do is just wait your turn. Once you have ambition, just wait your turn. You say God not give nobody more than them can bear. You might not reach to the ice level, but He will take you out of the rock at some time. Not too long. So when I'm done this now, my people, I just cool off and show you how you would have been outside because remember now, you come in and you're hot. Most time, all them patio are out of door, we have to cook them if you come in and the kitchen lock up and mama lock you out. You understand? So you have to cook all them patio. So, I'm not trying to show you it's a modern rendition of the lifestyle. Because most of the time, majority of the time, when we come in, look at our pound of flour, every time in our pocket, do they come like it all get wet. Because you just sit down what I do and I say, boy, I want them to get a tin of mackerel. But the tin of mackerel now come. That tin of bag juice come after the little flour come. So you have to just come home and just deal with the flour. But when you come, mama lock up and mama gone in, because mama now wait for boy. Boy, big man. Oh. So you have to come in now and you draw your little black and put two little board underneath it. And what you have to do, you have to plan all that from early. Because if you ever do that, you know you have to take out the pot out of the kitchen from before, from in the day. So all of them things, you have to plan it in advance. Take out the pot out of the kitchen and where you want to use the salt and ray. Yes, man. And when you come and mama lock up, you can't get nothing, You understand? So you have to prepare them things. Just like when you take out the sheet earlier on, yes, so I have to take out all the sheet from early. So if me come in and do a lock for me, I still have my little comfort because I don't prepare already. Despite me have to face the singers and DJ them and in your ears. You understand? You know people, you just stay tuned. When a bathroom time, and when I say bathroom, I mean out of door time, at the pipe side for all I wash off and go to my bed, I will show you all of that. So just stay tuned. A day in my life of struggles. This is things that we go through when we're young. When a barn comes in, nothing put on our foot. No gold spoon, no silver spoon, no diamond spoon. But eat still. For me, I'm proud of myself because when people put you down, even your own sometimes put you down, and when you look and see which part you reach and where you take yourself from by the help of God, sometimes you sit down and you cry to yourself and say, look how they put me down, man. But what? Sometimes some people just want you to be like them. Some people just want you to do what them want you to do, and when you don't see it that way, them say you're hopeless. You understand what I say to you? But you're not hopeless. Everybody see things different. Every brother has a different mind. And I just saw the world set up. You can't force it in another way. You get what I say? Not true you act the way you want to act, so. Yes, me might not act in an appropriate way, but at the same time, try to talk to me and expect somebody to be the person like you right away, so. You understand? So them see the glory and them know the story, but this is it, and this is just a little fraction of my people. There's a whole lot more showing, but as time goes by and the channel grows, we see all of them things, man. Yeah, man, all the struggle we've been through and clean. You understand? We never broke a house and we never see a old man bag and go rob it. Everything we have, we say we work hard for it. So why don't the nigga bad mind we for it? Every day we get up and people actually even know. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you something. I'm not going to do it physically, but I'm just going to show you. How much I used to do this? You see, we eat all this now, and we done a turn cross with throat and we are choke and feel like it stop our stomach. We just run go to the bathroom pipe. The cistern pipe, because you always have the cistern pipe, you turn on the pipe. Alright, I'll show you. So I lock up at the pipe and see here now. You understand? And you just drink water, go away so. Now that we grow big and thing, and we see sometime when our water block off and water shortage or something, you turn on the pipe and you see this whole of brown water around out. But think back in myself and I say, Jesus and peace. Enough of them water here we drink when we are a little boy, and when we are young, Because when we are ramp and thirsty, we just run up the pipe. Every time you like we are literally suck out the pipe. Yes, man. Now that me look and get big and see, sometime, I say, right, what saying? Enough time I drink the water that youth we drink. Because we never look. We not turn on the pipe and look for nothing. We just go some ropes and just put you on the car. We want water, we are dead for thirst. And not many of us did have fridge. And they told us the people who didn't have fridge, we couldn't go beg them no ice water or nothing at all. Because them feel like them more upscale than we. Yo, people are trying to know the struggles. No fun to know the struggles. That's why when they come out and say people are rise from the ground. We have to just allow them. Yes, man, just allow them, man. Stay tuned, people. When bathing time and bedtime, and I see all of that. And I see when I wake up in the morning and all of them things. So just stay tuned. Yes, my people, so you don't know. I got all a baby now because it's after 10 and I tell the people sleep or kill me. I couldn't choose a better night to do that something, yeah? Because the way I want to sleep, them entertainer ya won't get much time to take no disadvantage of me. Me will drop asleep quick. And as I say, remember, it's just a modern rendition of the days, because after the days gone by, me never have all them at all pants I could have put on. Adidas pants, but me I put on Adidas pants to protect my foot them from the mosquito. Because more than likely the sheet I could just cover my ears area from the entertainer them, you understand? So I got all that fresher now. And people don't know, you know, me is not a boy put on nothing. Anything I see I want to get, I want to raw. Remember, this me not have to do it. But me just try to show, you know, the lifestyle. And how we, you know, we train ourselves. So we know, say, we not look for go back in the past, you know, but anything possible can happen. So you have to be strong when you buck up on the obstacles. If you know, say, boy, yes, you still know how to fight to get over your hurdles. Because you have been there already and done that. And circumstances, you might have got through a phase where you have to travel back the road there for a while. And if you don't have the strength to fight, you won't pass the road. You understand? So, this is not we are fake. Alright, in here so me asleep tonight. Right back to the morning. See there? Fowl Coop. See there? Right in here. So, stay tuned. This is my birthday yard me there. This is not my cowboy ranch. Alright. This side of the house right now, my nephew is on that side of the house here. And my daughter is on the next side. So basically, no vacancy no there. For me, to stay right here. So now, so me don't want to feel like, oh, him die in my yard. So he wanna show with this, but when him done, him go in his house. Right here, so me asleep. Right here, so. So now just stay tuned. See pipe there now, me go hold a wash off here now. One time gonna assistant, so see me I tell you modern rendition. This now the little outside guard no pipe, you know. See it here. So my toothpaste, toothbrush, my soap. This is my foot rag. One time gone, I couldn't have 2 rags. See, there are 2 rags I have. The real Jamaican bath rag. See it here? Name brand Jamaican bath rag. Almost every Jamaican use that rag your beard. Yeah man, and the one you know, I used to go wipe my foot one time I dry off. One time gone, a one rag I wipe foot and a wipe face. Anyway, stay tuned. Alright people. Look. Huh? Look. Grab those teeth first, you know my people, see that? I remember, you know, I'm telling you, it's a modern rendition, you know. So certain things that we are doing now, we never have the privilege to do. You understand? But you know, there's a good idea of what we used to have to go through as a struggling youth. Right now, people, it's almost 10:30 a.m. You understand? Yeah, man. Almost 10:30 a.m. people. Yeah. Alright. We didn't have bath back in the days. We have to take butter pan or so now we have a little back we can use. You know? Yeah. Wake up yourself to get yourself going. Yeah man. So we are soap up right now. We got soap up before we get ourselves. Soap up people. Yeah man. People, I left all my face soap in the bathroom. So I have to wash my face after I'm done. But this is how it look like the people. Yeah man. And as me I say to my people, you know, one time gone, a underpants rough I use a beard. But you don't know through camera, we can't afford to strip naked on camera because you don't know the YouTube guideline. One time our underpants will take off on a beard. So it goes back to what me I tell you say, modern rendition. You know? Our lifestyle. Yeah man, modern rendition of our lifestyle. So we just show now the settings. Yeah man, butter dumpling. Mama lock door. And we come in and cook and done cook and hot and warm beer. This is what we have to do. And we have to bounce it inside at the Fowl Coop. So stay tuned. So we're gonna rinse off now with people. So we normally have a little butter pan or a little buckle, you know? Yeah, man. We're not done rinse off yet. We're gonna take it to the pipe and finish rinse off. But we just show you, you know, the system or the use system is set up as a struggling youth. You understand? Them beer we normally call them agwash. Yeah, because we don't get no proper shower and no shower and them things, so we call it agwash. Sometimes you have people who fight for all a standpipe or tend somebody that the standpipe or wait, so you have to make case and do what you do. So I'm gonna just do the final thing and I'm just show you know, the system or the system set up back in the days when we had struggle. We not no shower, we not no pretty exclusive bathroom, tile from ground to top, a ceiling, no. Kitchen window, board window, no fancy nothing. So I just stay tuned. I done dry off and I get dressed in my little room for the night. I say I go on. So my people, as I say in our bedtime, you know. See, I make sure I get my two phone them charge up. Carry down the charger from my yard to charge this one I use to do the video in. And as you can see there, 100% because I don't have no current in here, so because the current disconnect. Alright, I'm showing you what time it is now. See it? 10:45 people. 15 minutes to 11. That is an hour and 15 minutes before midnight. And as I say, I'm glad I want to sleep like this. So Sanchez and Wayne, one of them won't singing in my ears for too long before I drop asleep. Within a give myself 15 minutes to drop asleep. Because I'm really tired and want to sleep, my people. So I'm going to put all them things here. I'm going to see how I look. And so this is me, my people. Yeah, man. Tall pants down. Yeah. So with tall pants down and Gansy up, you know. I'm going to lie down, you know, and cover up on my sheet. By 11 o'clock, I mind drop asleep. And as I tell you, it's 15 minutes to 11. So I mind 10 past 11, I drop asleep. Trust me, people, because the sleep pressure me. So I'm going to get my cover out here now, take up them things here for the chair. And I'm going to see where I go on before I end the video, yeah. To continue tomorrow morning when I wake up. Yeah, man. This is like a camp out. It's just that, yes, I'm in my yard, there. But as I say, it's a day in my life vlog. When mama locked me out and I have to sleep in the Fowl, Coop and all them places here because I'm unruly. Not really unruly, but you just go out there and look your food. You see me? Yeah, man. And as I say, you know, a modern rendition this. Because it did worse off on this. Whenever I have a pretty long chair, I have to lie down. And I was going to see me showing you the earlier one. So I'm going to clear up them places now and get myself ready. Yeah, my people, lucky in my door here now. Yeah. Lucky in the Fowl. People, Bear, hear me a crew, watch him run come. Bear, watch me head back here tomorrow. Some people, look at the time again. 10:51. Alright. So see me here. This is just to protect my ears from the mosquito them, you know. Sanchez and Wayne one of them was singing on my ears. So I made these people. So I have a little light up there, so if you scare any little insect we might want to attack and feel like I'm me alone there, the little light there, so. But it's a chargeable light, so I don't know how, but it's fully charged still. So let's see how it will work out. See me, people? So bless up on yourself until a morning, on the see where I go on. Alright? Now all I sleep here now. I know by 10 minutes time I drop asleep, my people. You see me? Because I really want to sleep. I'm glad Saturday night I do this when I kind of feel tired in a way and want to sleep. Yeah, man. Bless up. Tomorrow morning, when I wake up and you see me, you know them things you normally wake earlier than you expect to. Not expect, you wake earlier than if you're sleeping in your bed. Because it's like you just a dime for the morning come to get past that stage. So Probably by about 5:30, 6 o'clock I wake up. So when we see all of that when I wake up. Blessings till later. Yes, my people. Morning. Good morning. Just I wake up, my people. Boy, I tell you. Sleep solid, me not lie. I told me it's so tired. From me locked me in last night, people. If the phone never alarm a while ago. I wouldn't even know it's the daylight. What time now? See, upon the time, 5:49. Yes, man, I'm not itching up people because I get up and go straight home and I'm back in my bed before the sleep come out of my eye. Yeah, man. Why people say all the light, yeah. It survive because I wake up from seat still on. Good thing it did fully charge, you know? Yeah, man. Be a caca crew and all them sitting there. Be a caca crew. Morning, just a light out, people. Street lights still turn on. Some people, just bless up on yourself, you know. What more of them vlogging me have for sure and my struggles through life. You know? Yeah, man. Street lights still on, morning, not come out yet. So don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend, hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Tell her, you know, and remember the cash app pin in the comment section. Yeah, man. A day in my life of struggles, you know. Them little things I will go through, butter dumpling, sleep out the door because mama lock we out because we're going to look like a food because we want to fend for ourselves. Some people, me head home now, you know. Yeah, man. They drop me in the comfort bed and I want to sleep. As I say, it never too bad because you really want to sleep. So bless up on yourself, you know, till when you get our next video. Life is a mission, TV. Life is a mission. Remember, it's not a competition. Blessed Sunday to you. Morning again.